After a long day at work, Papa came home feeling tired, but happy to see his family. In the kitchen, Mama
Oh
was trying her
no,
best to make dinner. But something went wrong.
I ruined it.
When the toast popped up burnt, Mama felt disappointed in herself. Papa looked at the black toast and made a quiet choice. Instead of complaining, he chose kindness.
Wow, extra crunchy, just how I like it.
Little Aina was watching carefully.
Papa, you don't like burnt toast.
Papa gently explained that mistakes don't hurt.
You're right, but Mama had a long day too. Burnt toast doesn't hurt feelings do.
But unkind words can. The next morning, Mama showed her love in a small, thoughtful way.
In a happy home, we don't look for perfect toast. We look for kind hearts.
Let me show you how to convert a simple story into fully animated scenes, with the same identical face across every scene and lip-sync narration. And the best part? We're doing it all using free tools, starting with Grok. If you want to go deeper and learn how to create AI ads, UGC videos, and much more, I have a paid course available. All the links are in the description below. Step 1. Write your story. Open ChatGPT and ask it to write a short story for you. You can request changes, ask for a completely new one, or go with whatever it generates. Once you're happy with it, ask ChatGPT to break the story down into individual scenes. After you have your scenes, ask ChatGPT to describe the physical appearance of each main character. Specify that the art style should be three-dimensional animation in the Disney Pixar style. This gives you a clear, consistent description you can use throughout the entire project. Now ask ChatGPT to write a detailed image prompt for each scene. Make sure to mention which characters are visible in each frame, and again, specify the three-dimensional Disney Pixar animation style. At the end of this step, you'll have one image prompt for every scene in your story. Head over to Whisk. On the right side of the screen, you'll find an option labeled Subject. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the character appearance description, and paste it into Whisk. Generate the image. You'll see the character's face appear. Repeat this process for each character. In our case, the father, the mother, and the child. These three faces will now remain consistent across every single scene. Copy the image prompt for your first scene and paste it into Whisk. In the settings, lock the seed. Then, enable only the character or characters who appear in that particular scene and disable the rest. This ensures the correct face appears in each frame. Work through every scene this way. Once your complete storyboard is ready, download each image one by one. Open Grok. In the bottom left corner, click on your profile, then go to Settings. Under Behavior, find the option called Automatic Video Generation and turn it off. Now head to the Imagine section and switch the mode to video at the bottom of the screen. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write an image-to-video animation prompt for each scene. Tell it to include only camera movement and any character dialogue. Keep it focused and concise. Once you have your animation prompts, go back to Grok, upload your first scene image, paste in the corresponding animation prompt, and hit Generate. Grok generates 6 seconds video with sound. Repeat this for every scene. Before downloading each clip, use the upscale option. Wait for the HD indicator to appear, then download. Grok is excellent for a free tool. However, if you have a budget and want higher quality results, I recommend checking out OpenArt. It gives you access to multiple models and tools all under a single subscription. Now we need narration voice for the story. Ask ChatGPT to write a narration script for each scene. Once you have those, ask it to combine all the lines into one continuous script with no headings or labels, just clean, flowing text. Copy that full script. Then open 11 Labs. If you want alternatives, I have a separate video covering 8 of the best free voice generators. The link is on screen now. In 11 Labs, paste your script, choose a voice you like, and generate the audio.
After a long day at work, Papa came home feeling tired, but happy to see his family.
If the voice doesn't feel right, simply swap it out and try another.
After a long day at work, Papa came home feeling tired, but happy to see his family.
Once you're satisfied, download the audio file. Edit everything together. Open your editing software. CapCut works great for this. Import all your video clips and your voiceover file. Click Sort and select Sort by Time Created so your clips fall into the correct order automatically. From there, do basic edits, trim any extra frames, and sync the audio. You can also add captions or visual effects if you'd like, but at this point, your video is essentially complete. That's the full workflow, from a simple story idea to a complete animated video with consistent characters, lip-sync narration, and professional voiceover. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to check out my free community and the paid course, both linked in the description. See you in the next one.